Hey guys, welcome to the Sunshine Farm. I'm Jen, and today I'm just going to take you on a little tour of what our day on a Saturday looks like. So today we have the farrier coming, we're working on cleaning out the chimney, we're finishing up some Christmas decorations and getting ready for the holiday. So I hope you enjoy.
Yeah, we're getting there. Yeah. I still have one more gift idea to go for somebody, but otherwise everything's ready. We said to wrap this up that we have already.
It should be. I'll point out if it's not. Oh, that feels so good. That feels so good.
As long as it stays cold.
Yeah.
I don't like the back of the door. Yeah. Well, they said like rain or snowbacks, but I didn't hear anything on the wind.
Someone is antsy because his brother is getting his feet done.
But there's a chance that we might get hit with some polar vortex action in January.
Yeah?
Yeah. I guess the polar vortex is weakening right now over, north of us. And I guess
Don't mind the thistle stuck in his forelock. I've been trying to get that out.
Further south somehow.
What do you got there?
I got a lot of eggs. 2 days worth. We only have brown layers going right now, really, except for this one green egg.
Guess what? It's the middle of winter. Well, I guess it's only the second day of winter, but our chickens are laying on the darkest day of the year. No artificial light needed. Just kidding, I have no idea what we're doing that's making them lay. Got the bunny's Christmas tree. And they have a little present under the tree. Those are apple sticks they'll be getting on Christmas. They also have their tunnel. Hi! Say hi. What are you doing? Yeah? This little guy is so sweet. So, this little one was supposed to be a girl. And she turned out to be a he. So, unfortunately, we're going to find him a new home because we already have a boy. But I found a really great home for him, and he will be going to be bonded with a female. So he'll be fixed and bonded, and he'll be a very happy pet bunny, which he'll love. So he's going home right after Christmas.
Come on! Hey, you still going?
Talk about disobedient doggos. Oh, it's cold.
Callie, come here. Come on. Faster. Pick it up. Pick up the pace. Let's go. 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 Come on, Teddy. Well.
Coming in hot.
Go.
I'm sorry, are you frustrated by something? What's frustrating you? What? What do you want? What's under there? Oh, some toys. I see at least a couple toys. What are you watching?
Oh. What we got on? Oh, you're filming me.
Let's see, what is it? Looks like Willow Creek Homestead. Are you worried I'm gonna eat your chips?
No, I just don't like showing everybody them stuff in my face. There and see if we can get a look-see.
You want to get a look-see?
Yeah.
So, as you always do on a homestead, you figure it out and you do it yourself, which takes a little bit longer, but you save a lot of money. So, we're cleaning the fireplace out ourselves so that we can get a fire going on Christmas morning. It hasn't been too cold here. It's only been like really in the 30s and 40s generally this winter, so it's not that big of a deal if we don't get it going. We do have a furnace, and we don't generally heat our house with a wood stove just because we work full-time, so we can't keep it going during the workday. But it is really nice to have, especially on the really cold days, and save some energy on the weekends when we can keep it going all day long. It's definitely very essential in case of a power outage. It keeps the house warm while we get the backup generator hooked up and whatnot. So we used it about 2 years ago during a windstorm, and it kept our whole house warm, which was really important because it was late winter and it was still freezing and below around that time of year. So yeah, we really like our wood stove. Somebody is cleaning out the fireplace because his wife has been harassing him for months to do this. Because all I want is just a warm, cozy fire on Christmas.
Hear the wind.
So what's your process for doing this?
I'm kind of learning in progress as I work, but just basically taking the different components apart, making sure they're clean. I have a chimney sweeper kit that attaches to the drill. It's about an 18-foot extension, I believe, and so hopefully I'll be able to fit that in here and then make the turn up the flue and be able to run that and clean off any of the can't think what the name is, the crud on the side of the chimney there.
And the ash and stuff?
The ash, yeah, it's the what's the soot, but like there's not a name for it, I can't think of it for some reason. And then there's a clean out port in our basement, which is, I don't know when the last time that was cleaned out.
There somewhere.
Yeah, that's all gunked up with lots of stuff. I mean, who knows how high it goes up somewhere in the chimney because it's it's well higher than what I can see down there. So I'm seeing if I can clean that out as much as possible, but I probably won't be able to get a ton because it's just caked in there from a long time of running fires. So we'll definitely get this part clean. This will be the most urgent area. I've got to replace the fire brick as well in the fireplace because we've got a few cracked pieces in there. Otherwise it's pretty straightforward as long as we can get all the cleaning tools in there that we need.
So what am I looking for? Just to see if there's any.
Yes, I mean it's pretty clean. There's not really any ash that's sitting in here. I mean you want to make sure all this, I think it's called, is it creosote? Is that the word I'm thinking of? So you see this like this black stuff that's caked along the sides. We want to try to get rid of that and get that all cleaned off.
Oh, gotcha.
That's I believe the real fire hazard in most scenarios is the stuff that cakes the sides. Because
Gotcha.
that can light up. You know, we got stink bugs because we have stink bugs everywhere in our house. So they're, of course, they're in the chimney as well. Just infiltrate everything. There's a damper in there too, looks like.
Is this your tool?
Yeah, we don't have anything attached yet. Just making sure that it will actually be able to make this turn. Because otherwise it's kind of useless.
Can it?
I don't know. You want to hold this for me? I kind of need the other hand.
Yeah, sure.
Hold this light. I don't know if
Too
it's
much
gonna
of an
make the
angle?
turn. Yeah, I might have to ultimately come down from that roof, which is what I didn't want to do because it's a more dangerous approach. But yeah, I don't know if I'm going to make it unless I can somehow get the downstairs clean out, actually fully cleaned out, and then stick this up from down there. Because I should have more of a, I should be able to make that turn a little bit better down there.
What's the bend of this? Oh yeah, you're not gonna be able
They're
to
pretty,
bend this.
they're
They're pretty
bendable,
stiff.
but they're pretty stiff. You see this part?
You kind of look like a Dalmatian.
Am I that dirty? Is it on my face? What? Am I?